Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut template watermark. Before we start, I'm going to give you simple explanation of what is a CapCut template. So it is a pre-designed video editing that users can use to create their own videos. So another CapCut creator will do some editings and then upload it as template so that other user can use it. And this is how you are going to use it without watermark. First, let's just launch the CapCut application. And to access the templates, you can just tap on templates, tap at the bottom of your CapCut apps, and you'll see a bunch of CapCut templates that you can use. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your photos or your needs the best. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this ones right here. You can now just click on the use template and choose videos or maybe photos to fill in the template. In this case, I'm going to use a photo. I'm going to use photos here. Okay, I'm going to use 3 photos right here, and then you can just tap on next. Okay, as you guys can see here, there will be a preview of the templates. If the creators allow it, you can modify the tags, attach or maybe change the audio on the template. But if it's not available, you can just proceed with the templates originally. And here at the top of the template, you'll see there will be this CapCut branding or CapCut watermark attached. And if you annoyed by the watermarks, don't worry, you can easily remove it by following my steps in here. So what you need to do is click on this export button first at the top. Okay, here you can change the resolution if you want to. And here you can see there are 2 options: export without watermark with this TikTok icon beside it, and also export, just export. So if you choose to only export the video, and then the CapCut watermark will be attached on your video. So what you need to do is just click on this button, export without watermark. Even if you don't have a TikTok account on TikTok applications on your phone, you don't need to worry. You can just click on this. If you don't have TikTok application, then it will lead you to the Google Play Store, but you don't need to download the app. You can just go back and it still be saved on your gallery. But if you do have one, if you have TikTok account, you can just do the same. Just click on export without watermark, and CapCut will direct you to the TikTok applications. But if you don't want to upload it, here you can just click on this arrow back or click on back, and it will still be saved on your gallery, so you don't need to worry. Let's check on my gallery, and the video will still be there. You can see this is the template that I choose. It is saved on my gallery without the watermark. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.